So we have an overview of all ungraded eggs in stock, but before starting grading the ungraded eggs, you want to send the information of that pallet to the grading machine. Therefore we are using Ovotrack Loader software. Ovotrack Loader software comes with an Ovotrack computer which is connected to the grading machine and a wireless scanner to be able to scan the farm label to the grading machine. When you are scanning the farm label, Ovotrack sends that information directly to the grading machine, or if you have a big loader or conveyor or using a depalletizer, you can also make use of an RFID tag, just to be able to that you don't need to create gaps between all different batches, and that you can run in the highest capacity possible. So the RFID egg is connected to the farm label and goes onto the first tray of the new batch. When the RFID tag is being read at the position of the correct batch change, Ovotrack will send the new active batch to the grading machine, and the grading machine will close down the previous batch and send back the grading results of the previous batch. If you want to know more about the modules that we have discussed today, please contact us. If you want to know more about how Ovotrack can specifically be used in your process, please contact us and we will help you out. We will explain how we can help you. Thanks for watching.